The rise of SMS marketing, more effective than ever. Texting is making a major comeback. It's now revolutionizing the marketing world as the #1 strategy. SMS marketing has surged with vigor, capturing high engagement rates by leveraging mobile-centric strategies. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a modern twist on effective communication with our AI mobile app. SMS marketing boasts tremendous open rates, outshining emails and other promotional methods. Texts are a priority to open for most people's curiosity. They offer a direct channel to customers, friends, and clients, ensuring your message gets noticed. This immediacy creates a personal connection that other communication methods struggle to match. Text messages arrive directly in your customer's pocket, offering a unique, intimate line of communication. This direct approach fosters immediate engagement, making customers feel valued and heard. It's a level of personal connection that other communication methods and strategy struggle to replicate. Our AI mobile app is perfectly positioned for increasing your text open rates. Short, snappy text messages are engaging and easy to digest, driving quick customer actions. Whether it's a special offer, appointment reminder, or exclusive content announcement, SMS delivers in seconds. It's not just effective, it's cost-efficient too. Compared to other advertising methods, setting up campaigns are simple and inexpensive. You can easily refine strategies and ensure your marketing message is continuously optimized for success. Personalize your SMS messages to resonate with individual customers. Address them by name and customize offers based on their history. This tailored approach not only boosts engagement, but also builds loyalty by making customers feel individually catered to. Scheduled campaigns ensure your SMS reaches the audience at precisely the right moment, such as before a major sale or during a promotional event, enhancing the likelihood of driving immediate customer actions. These are a few of the many giant branded companies that thrive using SMS marketing. Text messaging has a powerful impact on strategic texting campaigns, proving its efficacy in boosting engagement, improving customer relationships, and driving sales. The future is bright for SMS marketing with the introduction of AI that has elevated its efficiency and effectiveness. Our AI mobile texting app has brought new opportunities to enhance personalization, engagement, and the overall customer experience for SMS campaigns. Don't miss out on transforming your outreach strategies. Embrace AI SMS marketing, harness its potential, and connect with your customers like never before. Textergram elevates communication, making it a standout first choice from other messaging apps. Limited time, complimentary registration, and +10 texting credits for new app users. Get Textergram today.